trucks out, number 192, Jason Rinker. Number 50, that's Scott McClellan. And Tracy Letty in the 01. Gonna do a shotgun start. Driving around in the center in a circle. But count with me as we come down from 10. 9, 8, 7. Oh, wait, get wake up. Are we ready? Just wait. Are you ready, Al? Oh, waiting for the cars to get the block in the way, get things started. Hold on.
Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? They can't hear you.
Are you ready? Count with me from 10, 9, 8, 7, a little difficult to track people down, but when they do, those hits are hard. Here we go. Outside of Lenny at 0-1. Jason Rinker, the 192, trying to track somebody down. Who's he got in mind? 0-1 Lenny. Oh, just missed each other. Oh, yeah. 0-1 Letty in the 192 of Rinker. The only two moving around still. Remember, you got 90 seconds to make a hit. If you don't make a hit in 90 seconds, you are flagged out. I don't know if 50 is still moving around. No, Lashinsky's been a while since we've seen him. 0-1 Letty trying to track down the 192 Rinker to make a hit. Get his clock going. There's a hit from 192 of Rinker.
We have the 0-1, the lady car. Let's hear it for Tracy.
Tracy Letty, 0-1. It's a lady driver, just found out. Cheer on your favorite. Who's cheering on the 0-1, the lady driver, Letty? Or are you cheering on Rinker in the 192? Let's hear it. Here we go. Hard hit coming. 192 Rinker.
No, the 192.
Jason Rinker, the 192, the only one still moving around. Tracy Letty in the 0-1, the lady
Give
driver.
me in that car.
Trying to get it.
Come on, girl, get it started up.
Cheer her on, see what she can do.
He says no, it's not going to start.
It's dead. Oh, little kiss. Just a little kiss. Gonna lighten it up. Running out of clock. Is she going to get it moving? 192 Rinker, still your leader. Looks like the favorite.
There you go, you have a winner.
Big hand from Jason Rinker. 192, your winner. Our first Devilish Derby of the year. And a big hand for all of these drivers. Great job. Thanks a lot for coming out. Northern Lights Motorsports. We had a great time with you guys. We're going to be back again tomorrow. Much more action, much more cars. So come on down. We got a whole bunch of people that are showing up tomorrow. We got shows Saturday.